Okay, hello guys and welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick review on how you could calculate the total, uh, how do I say, total expense over your mining setup, and also what is the profit that you receive every month. So actually a lot of people right now starting to do the mining stuff. They're doing the mining on BTC, they're doing the mining on Dogecoin, Ethereum, a lot of coin out there that they are available and uh, free for them to mine. So in order to mine those coins, you have to actually having a very good setup for your machine, for your mining rig. So some of us got a very high spec, especially mining process is actually uh, talking about the strongest GPU, the graphic card. So you have a CPU, you got a GPU, especially a higher end of a graphic card represent a lot of mining profit. So some of us having one or two graphic card that result in like $80 a month, $50 a month. Some of us go high to $100, $200 a month. So it's based on a graphic card. You have a high-end graphic card, you got it more profitable every month. So how do you actually calculate before you set up your mining rig? So we want to build a very efficient mining rig, but we do have to understand the expense over the electricity cost, and also how much do we gonna earn from that by deducting the electricity cost. So there's a website on the internet. It's called NiceHash. You can just simply go into Google instead by typing in google.com, and then inside a search you can just simply searching for a mining calculator, something like that, and then there would be a lot of process, a lot of option to choose, but the one at the first is the nicehash.com. You can see that it said profitability calculator nice dash nice hash slash nice hash. So we go into that, and then would lead into this page, the profitability calculator. So we got a calculator, we got a comparison. If you don't want a calculator, you want to see the comparison, you just type in the comparison and enter the cost of the cost of electricity in your country, and then choosing the configuration, the spec or something like that. But here we are going to show you a calculator instead. So I'm going into calculator. That actually, if you already have a mining rig and you don't know how much you're gonna earn, you can just simply download the software from the NiceHash, so that they can uh, automatically detect the hardware and automatically calculate for you the amount of money you receive every month deducted by the amount of electricity that you're about to spend. But if you're not building any mining rig yet, you just simply go into manual selection. So on the right hand side we can see there's a manual selection, the CPU, GPU or ASICs. So CPU is based on the computing unit that inside your computer, and GPU is the graphic card, and ASIC is the mining rig setup. I'm not sure how you call it, but for me I'm calling it a mining rig setup already, a complete setup already. So in here you can just simply enter in hardware manually, and then here you can choose currency. For example, I'm in Cambodia, so I can just type in KHR like that, and then the electricity cost would be 700, a little bit expensive, 700 real per kilowatt hour. So I got, for example, I have three device, for example, of a high-end spec. What do I expect? Let's choose here we can choose any type of a GPU or CPU we are having. So example, if you're having a very high-end one, uh, let's say AMD RX 60800 XT 16 gigabyte. So I'm choosing this one. So I'm having this one for three device, one, two, three, and then I'm gonna calculate to see how much money am I going to receive. So here you can see I can earn a total of okay, probably this would hard to calculate because I'm doing it in the KHR. So instead I'm going to use this USD instead. USD, it would be uh, 0.4 dollar per kilowatt hour. So I'm gonna calculate again. Okay, so the total 3 amount, right? Is it 0.4? Oh, I'm sorry, it's 0.04. Yep, something like that. So it's approximately $14 a day. So with this spec AMD RX with 16,000 XT 16 gigabyte, so with the electricity cost of around 0.01 kilowatt hour per hour, I'm going to earn approximately of a $14 to $15 a day. So in total, if you multiply by 30 days, you would see the monthly income of around like 15 30. You probably got a monthly income around $450 a month. So this is the spec that you have. But if you have a lower spec, probably the lowest spec I would choose, let's go into Intel, right? We're going, no, in NVIDIA. If we go to NVIDIA, you got the lowest of the NVIDIA GTX 980T, and then you're gonna calculate it. For example, you have, no, I'm not having one, I'm having three. 1 2 3. Alright, calculate. I've got 3 devices. So the same with the NVIDIA GTX 980T. With a 3 device setup, I could earn approximately $4 a day. So this is actually the mining that I'm going to receive, and with that $4 a day, 455 with 30, I'm earning a total of $133 a month. So this is actually how you are going to calculate before you set up your device. So most of us don't actually want to spend a lot of money on building or setting up the mining rig, but along with that you have to understand the efficiency, the profitability of your mining rate that will provide you every month. For example, if you have 3 devices of this NVIDIA GTX 980T, it is a very low one, but you still can profitable from it with around $133 a month. So if you're having any spec that you are about to set up or already bought for setup, you can just simply enter this spec in here to see actually what is the profitability that should to you. So NashHash providing this profitability calculator, and they also providing a mining software that allow you to running the process of mining, something like that. So this is actually what I'm going to show you today, and if you find this video very helpful, you can just simply click a like button, comment your idea, and share this to your friend who are looking for building a mining rig. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye for now.